Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Fat, and we have to discuss the derivation of law of sine. That is A over sine alpha, B upon sine beta, and C upon sine gamma. For this, we have to consider a triangle ABC, that is A, B, and C. So opposite A, this is small b, small c. With A, it is alpha angle, with B, it is beta, and with C, it is gamma. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from C on the side AB at point D. So now it becomes two right angle triangle. The one is ADC, the another one is BCD. And this is the length H. So here we have to consider a sine alpha. Consider a right angle triangle ADC. ADC. From ADC, sine alpha, it is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine alpha, its formula is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. The perpendicular is H and the hypotenuse is B. So this is B sine alpha equals to H, or H is equals to B sine alpha. This is, say, equation number 1. Similarly, consider another right angle triangle BCD, that is BCD. So this is here sine beta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and the perpendicular is H and the hypotenuse is A. So this is sine beta H over A, and this is A sine beta equals to H, or H is equals to A sine beta. This is, say, equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, both are equals to H, so they will be equal to each other. So from equation number 1 and equation number 2, so this is B sine alpha equals to A sine beta. So just we have to rearrange them. B over sine beta equals to A over sine alpha, or A over sine alpha equals to B over sine beta. This is called law of sine. So similarly, B upon sine beta equals to C upon sine gamma, and A over sine alpha equals to C over sine gamma. This is called law of sine. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Fat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.